What's up, guys? Welcome to TM Motorsports YouTube channel. Let's just dive right into what we're going to be doing here. So, what are we doing here? That, my friends, is a good question, and I'm happy to explain. Okay, the point of this YouTube channel is going to be taking this old Gravedigger go-kart that I've had for a long time, that was really slow, and making it go faster. Hopefully a little bit safer, and documenting the whole thing along the way, bringing you guys along for the ride. So let me show you what we've done so far. Okay, so this used to be a two-seater go-kart. I chopped the front down, narrowed it up to make it a single-seater so that hopefully we can fit the Gravedigger body on this someday. Change the seat around and everything. Going to get a complete tear down and rebuild. This was originally a 250cc go-kart, but even I don't think that's going to be powerful enough because that's the itty-bitty really slow old engine right there. In order to get more speed, I had to step up the game. So I bought two 1979 Yamaha XS11 motorcycles, 4 cylinders, because I mean 8 cylinders would be great, but I don't think we can make 8 cylinders fit. Definitely not in that thing. Stand a pretty good chance of getting this one running, as it has good compression on all the cylinders. This one is totally shot, 0 pounds of compression on one cylinder. So we'll be stripping that down, selling some parts. So you're probably thinking, Taylor, why are you building this contraption of a go-kart mini monster truck? Why don't you build a real mini monster truck? Well, let me tell you, they cost lots of money that I don't have. You know what I do have, though? Big ass gorilla hanging out back there. And that's pretty cool. We're not going to get into any wrenching today. This is really just a video I wanted to make to intro you to what we're going to be doing. Hopefully, what we'll do here is we'll document and make a series of videos about building my best take on a mini monster truck right now. And we get this thing put together, I promise you we are going to rip it up, tear it up, and probably destroy that thing. And then we'll just build a better one and go from there. So like, share, subscribe, because I mean, why not? Might turn out pretty cool. Might not, but I think it will. See you later, guys. P.S. Go check out Trailer Trash Racing on YouTube. That guy does awesome RC stuff. He's busting it up all the time. He is the main reason that I've created this YouTube, and he does awesome stuff all the time. See ya.